Welcome to the REI's Accredited Solar Photovoltaic course. Learn how to install, maintain and repair solar panels and the theory behind solar photovoltaic equipment.
We would have had a generating plant transmission system, and that would have supplied power to domestic customers at lower voltage and commercial and industrial ones.
This course delivers comprehensive knowledge on the design, installation and maintenance of solar PV systems, essential for overseeing successful projects, managing assets effectively and leading energy initiatives. Our courses have boosted careers all over the world, helping both individuals and companies to maximise their potential and play their role in the energy transition. This course can also be studied as the first step in our Solar Energy Consultant Expert Certificate. This pathway is designed to support your career aspirations and personal interests with 3 accredited courses. Contact us today for more information.